Here's a little something I thought would be a good illustration to show you. We've had a lot of dew on the ground the last few mornings. The weather's been lovely. But I thought it would be a good opportunity to indicate how long the club is actually in contact with the ground. Now, just to be clear, the ground to me is anything that's down there underneath the golf ball, which includes the grass. So let's take a look. I think on this shot you'll be able to see how long that club actually is in contact with the ground for. Let's take a look. Coming down into the hit. This is just a 40-50 yard pitch shot that I hit. You'll see some dirt jump up. Quite interesting actually here. In that frame there, let me take that black circle away indicating where the golf ball starts. Quite interesting how you can see the water being pushed out between the ball and the face. They're almost like a little explosion. Put our line back. Club continues on through. And by the time the dust settles, you can actually see quite clearly that the club first made contact, first disturbed the dew, starting approximately there and finished there. And this is the beauty of creating, it's not a flat spot, but it's a flatter spot. It's a dent in the arc at the bottom of your motion when you're pitching. It makes it possible for you to have that golf ball, the black ball, situated a lot closer to this back position. Yeah, we could have had the ball there, we could have had the ball here in our stance, and on all three occasions we would have hit a pretty good shot. Number one, because the ground is not interrupting the speed that I'm relaying into the club head. And number two, we're going to get a fairly clean strike because that club is gliding along the ground underneath the golf ball, just like a plane landing on the runway. Here we've got a nice long runway between the two outside red indicators, and so the ball can be anywhere in there and I'm going to be able to hit a good shot. This breeds confidence, and we know what confidence can do to any golfer really. One more time through the hit. Quite clearly you see the dew is moved, is disturbed between the two red markers. That's what I'm getting at when I talk about that flat spot at the bottom of the arc. No divot here. I wouldn't call that a divot. Certainly we've disturbed the ground a little bit, but a very nice strike. Obviously not a lot of spin because we've got some water getting between the ball and the face. Hopefully this is something that can help you better understand what I'm talking about in the wedge project. Thanks for watching.